Are you tired of endless diets that leave you feeling frustrated and deprived? Discover a revolutionary way to achieve a healthy weight without losing your sanity. Welcome to the 6-week Clean Eating Program, a comprehensive online meal plan designed to transform your eating habits for good. Imagine starting your day with a delicious bowl of old-fashioned rolled oats, milk of your choice, and a handful of fresh raspberries. Savor the natural sweetness of maple syrup drizzled over your breakfast, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. For lunch, enjoy a protein-packed quinoa salad with perfectly cooked eggs, crunchy carrot slices, and refreshing Lebanese cucumber. Add a burst of flavor with grape tomatoes, chopped parsley, and a squeeze of lemon, all drizzled with a touch of olive oil. Dinner is a delight with tender, boneless, skinless chicken thighs paired with roasted sweet potato and crisp asparagus. Enhance your meal with a hint of avocado oil, paprika, oregano, and chili powder, seasoned to perfection with sea salt and pepper. This program isn't just about recipes, it's about mastering clean eating cooking skills and meal prepping to make healthy eating effortless. Transform your life, never diet again, and embrace a sustainable, healthy lifestyle with the 6-week Clean Eating Program.